Have you seen these videos that a giant and realistic human hand rescuing tiny people? Pretty fascinating, right? Today, we're going to learn how to generate these fun AI clips using AVC Labs generators online. First, open AVC Labs online tools in your browser. Then, open the AI image generator. The blank field at the bottom is where you enter your prompt. This is where you'll describe the tiny people scene you want. Before clicking Generate, double-check the image size and resolution. Then, you've downloaded the image you just generated to open the AI video generator. In the prompt field, import the image you downloaded just now. Describe what's happening to them in this scene, and how the giant hand steps in to help. Again, before clicking Generate, make sure the audio toggle is turned on, and select your video's duration, size, and resolution. AVC Labs offers free AI credits for everyone to use with our online generators. Sign up and reach out to us today.